Study like a pro, using technology to enhance organization. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to keep track of for your studies? With the constant advancements in technology, it's easier than ever to stay organized and on top of your work. In this video, we'll be diving into how technology can be used as a powerful tool to enhance your organization skills and provide you with practical tips and tricks to help you succeed. The importance of technology in organization. Technology has become an integral part of our lives, and it can also play a crucial role in helping us stay focused, concentrated, and achieve academic success. By incorporating technology into our organization process, we can make our study routine more efficient, productive, and effective. Using apps for organization. The App Store and Google Play are filled with a plethora of apps that can aid in organization and productivity. From calendar apps to note-taking apps to task management apps, there's an app for every need. Some popular apps include Evernote, Google Calendar, and Todoist. Using digital tools for note-taking. Digital tools such as laptops and tablets make note-taking more efficient and convenient. They also provide the ability to easily search for and access notes, as well as the ability to share notes with classmates. Taking notes digitally also allows for easy backup and storage, so you never have to worry about losing your notes. Using cloud storage for organization. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive allow you to store and access your materials and notes from anywhere at any time. This can be very useful when studying, as it allows you to quickly access what you need and not have to worry about losing your materials. Plus, with cloud storage, you can easily collaborate and share notes with classmates. Incorporating technology into your daily routine. Incorporating technology into your daily routine is essential for staying organized and on top of your studies. This can be achieved by setting reminders, scheduling regular study sessions, and using apps and tools to enhance organization. By making technology a part of your daily routine, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and achieve success more easily. The importance of using technology to schedule study sessions. Using technology to schedule study sessions is an essential part of staying organized. This can be achieved by setting reminders, creating a study schedule, and using a timer or countdown app to stay on track. Scheduling your study sessions also helps you to stay focused and avoid procrastination. The benefits of using technology to block distractions. Using technology to block distractions can help to improve focus and concentration. This can be achieved by using apps and tools that block social media, notifications, or websites that are known to distract you. Blocking distractions can help you to be more productive and achieve your goals. By incorporating technology into your daily routine, you'll be able to achieve success and optimize productivity. Remember, using technology to enhance organization is essential for overall productivity, as well as improving focus and concentration. With the power of technology, you'll be able to reach your aspirations and achieve your goals. Good luck!